Hey, what's up? Here we go. We're doing a little demo of the EE.2 simplify radical expressions with variables. So here we go. Friends, there is a way to simplify radicals even with variables. There is a list that I think I will give you in your notes. I actually also think I have it right here on the side. Take a look here really quick. There you go. See that list right there? Beautiful. We'll talk about this in class, but here's a nice little reference on how to simplify variables. Basically, you need a pair of variables to make a regular variable on the outside of the radical sign, but we'll already discuss this in our notes, but I'll keep this nearby just to help out. So right away to cheat, I know that that single q is not going to make it out. Okay, just like a single x doesn't make it out, a single q is not going to make it out. So I just got to simplify the square root of 50 now. So here we go. Square root of 50. Oh, that's two square roots. I don't want that. Go away. Square root 50. Okay, if I rewrite that as, let's see here, what goes into 50? I think the square root of 25 times 2. Yep, also the square root of 50. 25 is a perfect square. That's actually 5, so that makes it out. But the square root of 2, you got to stay. There you go. See how it's all the same number? 5 square roots of 2. Again, if I wanted to write it as a perfect square, that's one method. I could also write it as a pair. Okay, oops. Come on, buttons, click with me here. 5 times 2. Thank you. There you go. See, it's all the same thing. It's this 7.07. Square root of 25 times 2 is the same thing as the square root of 5 times 5 times 2. It takes a pair or a square to get out of the radical sign. So back to my answer. Let's go 5, 2 stays, and the q also stays. Boom. See what we did here. Hey, there we go. Okay, at 50. I feel like I just did a 50. Yep, there it is. It's kind of nice. There's only so many numbers that you can simplify, so numbers are already done. This is going to be 5 square roots of 2. All right. Now, v to the 6. That's 6 v's. 6 v's is 3 pairs on the outside. So, v to the 3. Okay. 6 of them on the inside is going to be 3 on the outside. For every 2 you have on the inside, you get 1 on the outside, just like here. Same idea with numbers. Okay. Pairs or squares. Wow, we're just hitting the square root of 50. All right. Desmos, it'd be nice if you gave me some variety so the students can actually learn something here. T to the 9. T to the 9 is 4 pairs with an extra. So we're going to have a t to the 4 on the outside and then a single t on the inside. Boom. All right. Hey, finally, a different one. Here we go. You see d to the 3. 3. One's going to make it out, one's going to stay. So we're going to have a d square root with a d on the inside. Okay, let's clear it out. Clear it out. Square root of 8. See what is u. 8, if I break 8 down, that is the square root of 4 times 2, I believe. Square root of 4 is just a plain 2, and then the 2 is all by itself since it's not a perfect square, and it stays. All right, so we're going to have this is a nice one. We're going to have a 2d on the outside, and a 2d on the inside. Got it. All right, let's do a few more. 45. Again, you can have whatever you want to do first. If you want to deal with the variable, deal with the variable. Just keep them separate. Okay. Z to the 7. Let's see, 7. 3 would make it out, and 1 would stay. So we have a z 3 on the outside. Oops, I need to make that an exponent. Okay, z to 3 on the outside, and a single z is going to stay. All right, here we go. Square root of 45. Remember, these are all on your list, friends. These are all on your list. If you do the square root of 45, it's all on your list. So if you already have it simplified, then go ahead. But I'm going to do it right now here. That's 9 times 5, I believe. Yep. Square root of 9 is 3. All the same. So it's 3 square roots of 5. So a 3 makes it out, and a 5 stays. All right, friends, that's about it. Rinse and repeat. We'll do one more here. Okay. There's only so many variables. There's only so many numbers. Okay. I'll say the W is 7 because I already know what it is. 3 make it out, 1 stay. Might as well do it first now that I know what it is. 3 W's make it out. A single W stays. There you go. 3 pairs and an extra. 7 is 3 pairs and an extra. Think of it that way. All right, square root of 75. Oops, go away. I don't want any of this stuff. Square root 75. Okay. If I break down 75, that's the same thing as 25 times 3, which, if I want to go extra with it, would be 5 times 5 times 3. Again, I'm just breaking the number down into factors, into multiples. Factors, multiples, same thing. 2 5s will make a regular 5, just like the square root of 25 is 5. There it is. Same number. Okay. So a 5 makes it out, and a 3 stays. All done. Okay. That is Ixl.2 in a nutshell, friends. There's only so many numbers and so many combinations. Like right away, already did 75. There's X to the 10. Okay, I'm not going to do it, but you know what's going on. All right, peace out.